Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 trigger isn't working mid-cleaning, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to wear and tear or a blockage in the trigger mechanism. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, affecting your vacuum's performance and longevity. To tackle this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger mechanism. First, ensure the vacuum is unplugged and turned off. Begin by carefully removing the dust bin, then locate the two screws holding the trigger assembly in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, making sure to keep them in a safe place. Next, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once you have access to the trigger assembly, look for the faulty component, which is usually visibly worn or misaligned. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the trigger, noting their positions for reassembly later. With the old trigger removed, take your new replacement trigger and align it with the mounting points. Ensure you apply even pressure to secure it in place. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly seated but not pinched. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the casing by aligning it properly and gently pressing it back together until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once everything is back together, plug in your Dyson V11 and test the trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your vacuum and check for blockages in the trigger area. Keeping your device well maintained can significantly extend its lifespan and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.